Workers' Compensation Rehabilitation Center.
At first, I was afraid.
Afraid of what, Simkoma Chose?
Ndaitombofunga kuti upenyu wangu huchaparara.
Relax, Simkoma Chose. NASA is always there for me and you. NASA is always there for us.
I lost my legs. Asiwakomana newasikana venasa vakandibatsira. I went for physiotherapy,
gymnasium, electrotherapy,
and occupational therapy. Izvezvi ndakukwanisa kuzvishandira.
Disability does not mean an end to life. It simply means we are now differently able. And thank you to the doctors, nurses, and the entire staff in the industrial clinic. They gave me hope.